These are two wild venison haunch steaks. And if your motto in life is anything like mine, get ripped or die trying, you won't be looking for another source of protein once you've heard about how delicious and brilliant these are for you. Now, these are taken off the top of the leg of a wild fallow deer, aged for 12 days, and cut into gorgeous sort of 1.25 inch thick steaks. So I use these now instead of a beef rump a lot of the time, and that's because flavour-wise they're quite indistinguishable. Health-wise they're infinitely better. They're packed full of iron. They're a fraction of the saturated fat, and they are basically the richest source of protein, but you have to be the least rich in order to buy them because they're 2/3 of the price of what you would pay for beef. So we are going to cook up. We're going to cook up these haunch steaks. I've let them come up. That's the critical bit first. Don't take them out of the fridge and then cook them because otherwise it will tighten all up. So take them out about half hour, an hour before. Let them come up to room temperature. They're salted. There's plenty of oil in the pan. The pan's absolutely roasting. You can actually sear these really hard, really fast. And so that's what we're going to do in the frying pan, is we're going to try and keep them nice and crunchy and get a beautiful sear on the outside, but then keep them really pink in the middle. So we should be there or thereabouts with these now. Let's have a look. Same with this one. So I'm going to leave these to rest here, give them plenty of space on the pan themselves, and then leave these to cook for maybe another 1.5 to 2 minutes. I'm going to put in the garlics. Now, critically with the garlics, I'm going to leave them with their skins on so you don't go and burn the clove itself directly. Take the temperature off, a little bit of rosemary. So all I'm going to do now is baste these. And I'm just going to pour that butter over the steaks. So I'm going to leave that to rest for at least 4 minutes. 2 steaks, 2 people, for less than 10 quid. Like, unbelievably healthy for you. I mean, I don't know why more people aren't eating this. Look at that. So still bright and crispy on the outside. Beautifully pink on the inside. Oh, look at that. I've literally nailed that. Oopa. You see it just cuts like butter. These are chips I made at home from the potatoes I grew in my garden. That's obviously not true. I'm going to add some of Gav's purely pesto chimichurri just on the side. That is without doubt one of the best plates of food you will have anywhere in the UK today. Here is your Monday night dinner for 2 for less than a tenner. That is great for your palate and great for the planet. If you want to give them a gobble, then go to the link in the bio, pop them in your basket, get them delivered to your home and enjoy them yourself. And I promise you they're going to become a staple of your diet going forward.